If you want to hide your Steam inventory, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to make your inventory private or visible only to friends, so you can control who sees your items in just a few clicks. This is really useful if you want more privacy, reduce unwanted messages, or simply keep your trading items hidden from strangers. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open steamcommunity in your browser and sign in to your Steam account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple Steam profiles. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page and click your username. This will open your account options. From the drop-down menu, click View My Profile. This takes you directly to your public Steam profile page where you can manage your profile privacy and inventory settings. Once your profile opens, look for the blue Edit Profile button and click it. This is where Steam lets you customize your public information and privacy controls. On the left side of the Edit Profile page, click Privacy Settings. This section controls who can see different parts of your Steam account, including your profile, game details, screenshots, and inventory. Scroll or look through the privacy options until you find inventory. This is the setting you need to change if you want to hide your items. Now click the inventory privacy option and choose the level that works best for you. If you select private, nobody will be able to see your inventory. If you select friends only, then only people on your friends list will be able to view it. This is the best option if you still want a little privacy, but don't want to completely block everyone from seeing it. The great thing here is that Steam saves your changes automatically, so you do not need to press a save button or confirm anything else. As soon as you choose your new inventory privacy setting, it takes effect right away. To double check, you can go back to your profile and confirm that your inventory is no longer public, and that's it. You've now hidden your Steam inventory in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.